All right, guys. So today we looked at the pictures and described May's day. Let's review the description. Picture number 1. May watches movies. Picture number 2. May cooks for her family. Picture number 3. May watches the news. May does her homework online. May studies online. May meets with her friends. We also looked into new vocabulary and we learned how to say to do house chores. When you do house chores, you vacuum the room, you wash dishes, you clean the room, and you do laundry. Do you do your house chores? Go to school. We do not go to school right now because we are on quarantine. Do you go to school? No, I don't go to school. Text your friends or chat online. Do you text your friends? Yes, I text my friends. Order a meal to be delivered. Order a meal to be delivered. Do you order a meal to be delivered? Or do you go to a store? Work out at home. Work out at home. Do you work out at home? Listen to music. Listen to music. Do you listen to music? And this is the text we came up with today. I am on quarantine. I do house chores. I vacuum my house. I wash my dishes. I clean my house. I work out in my house. I listen to music. I do not go to school. I study online. I text my friends. I chat with my friends online. I sometimes go to a store. I order a meal to be delivered. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining my class today. Please practice reading this text several times, learn new words, and I will see you on Friday.